Hi, I'm Henru.
Hi, I'm Xinyue.
Have you ever heard of a magnetohydrodynamic seawater thruster? It is a system in development, as it remains unusable in a commercial context due to its low efficiency. It uses the notion of magnetohydrodynamics, which studies how conductive fluids behave when subjected to a magnetic field. Our project will explore this study through the design of a magnetohydrodynamic motor on a small scale. We will then explore the possibility of using MHD systems as a large-scale application. This project is designed to protect marine life and to reduce the amount of noise and pollution created by motorized propellers. We hope this system may be used in the future to replace motorized propellers in ships. Thanks for watching! Hope you all like our project!